Hi, I'm Aaron Van Tile with the Washington State Office of the Insurance Commissioner. In our final video in our Medicare Open Enrollment series, we're going to talk about how you can use Medicare.gov's Health Plan Finder tool online and what you need to get ready and have sitting next to you before you log on and look at plans, compare plans, and maybe even enroll in a plan. So let's get started. To go over all your options for this, you can check out the Medicare Plan Finder online. Just go to Medicare.gov and click the blue button that says Find Plans. You'll want to get a list of your prescription drugs ready and all of your pharmacy information. If you don't already have a Medicare.gov account, you might want to do that. You can still use the Plan Finder tool and do some homework without an account, but you can't actually enroll in a new plan online without using your personal information. If you're already enrolled in Medicare, your drugs will show up to be edited in the list once you log in. You can start now and come back and your work will be saved. If your current plan is available next year, you can also see the changes and how it compares to other plans. If you don't have an account on Medicare.gov, you'll be asked to select what type of plan you're looking for. Your options are going to be a Medicare Advantage Plan, Part C, Medicare Drug Plan, Part D, or a Medigap policy. Then you'll be asked, do you get help with your Medicare health or drug costs? If you have Medicaid, you have Apple Health and a teal-colored Provider One card. A Medicare Savings Program means the state is paying your Medicare Part B premium. Extra Help means that you have lower cost Medicare Part D coverage. And if you're not sure about any of these, just call 1-800-MEDICARE and ask. You'll also have the option to click, do you want to see drug costs when you compare plans? And then you'll have the option to enter in whatever drugs you'll need covered, and you'll fill in details about those drugs. And then you can enter in your pharmacy. Check the box for both mail order and any local pharmacy you use, and any others you might use. That could save you a little money. And finally, it'll show you a list of plan options. You can filter by plan benefits, insurance carrier, drug coverage, or star ratings. And then you can sort by a few different options as well. You can compare up to 3 plans side by side. You can find a link to the website and a phone number for each plan here, and you can call them with any questions you have. If you're logged in, you can enroll right there with the Enroll button. You can also enroll by calling the health plan, or you can enroll by calling 1-800-MEDICARE. Just make sure you've got the plan ID number from the website. If you're interested in a Medicare supplement plan, you can compare the rates on the Medicare website and choose one that's best for you. However, you can't enroll in a Medicare supplement plan from the Medicare website. What you want to do is call the insurance company or use the website for the insurance company. That's all we've got for you today. Good luck enrolling. And again, if you have any questions, call 1-800-MEDICARE or visit our website, www.insurance.wa.gov.